Targeting the US audience in your TikTok is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can target the US audience for your TikTok videos. So for that you need a few things. So the first one is you need to have a VPN. In my case I'm using this TunnelBear. And the second thing, obviously your TikTok apps, so you just need to install this app from your Play Store. If I go to my Play Store and type in Turn VPN or TunnelBear, what it will do is it will show me the app, so you just need to install it. After installing it, I have to open up this app and it will destroy it. Will want you to log in first, so you just need to log into your account and then you can turn the VPN on to specific locations. You just need to change the location as United States of America. So after that you just have to start posting your content and make sure nothing in your account has been linked to your country's region, so you just need to create a new account if you have already linked with a lot of things and you need to start posting your content. May I try to post your content in the American style and pause the content in English, so that's how you guys can perfectly mimic the content in United States, and TikTok algorithm will definitely take it as a US content and it will try to grow your content in USA, so that's what makes it. That's how you guys can target the audience in USA and TikTok. Hope you guys find this video helpful.